What's the meaning of carpet? Carpet. Carpet.
Carpet. Carpet. Carpet refers to a type of textile floor covering typically consisting of an upper layer of pile attached to a backing. It is commonly used in homes, offices, and public spaces for its aesthetic and functional value. Carpets can come in a variety of materials, colors, and patterns, offering versatility in design. They help to insulate against noise and heat, provide comfort underfoot, and can even improve indoor air quality by trapping dust and allergens. Carpets also require regular maintenance, including vacuuming and professional cleaning, to keep them looking and functioning at their best.